got the fuck out of there. Are you okay, man? Dude! Lay down, man. Fucking stupid ass beginners, man.
Finally at first, dude.
What?
Finally at first.
You were?
Yeah.
I think I broke my rib.
You alright, dog? Oh, your ribs too, huh?
I saw it coming, I slid, and I just got pushed. I don't even know where my bike is.
Oh, my ribs. Hey, flip that thing over.
Shut the fuck up. Don't tell us to get out of the way. Go fuck yourself. Stop! People are so stupid. Lift it up, it's called the stabilizer. No, you need to lift it.